Right, so this is Ruth. She has just completed the 6-week challenge with us. She's actually stayed on for the long term. I'm going to just ask Ruth a few quick questions on where she started, where she's got to, and why and what she enjoyed about it all. So Ruth, if you want to just tell me about where you're at before you started with us.
So before I started coming here, I was quite mindful about the amount of steps I was putting in each day, but that was pretty much it. It was sort of, watching my step count, going out, walking the dog, but I wouldn't say I was particularly confident to be going out and doing a lot of my own aerobic kind of activity, and I was a bit stagnated in being able to lose any weight or feel fit about myself and good about myself.
Okay, cool. And is there any elements of what we've done been really restrictive, overly complicated? Was the system easy to follow? Was it?
Yeah, I think that there are 3 key messages that I've got out from being here for the 7 weeks that I've been here so far. One is drink water. That's not very difficult to do. The other is turn up and put your all into the training sessions, and that's not difficult to do. There's lots of flexibility over the different sessions that you can come to. And the third one is to think about what you're actually eating. Okay, and by tracking what I'm eating, it makes me much more aware of all the extra little bits that I don't actually really need. So that's been really useful. It's not complicated, it's just really 3 key steps, quite straightforward to follow.
Okay, cool. And what do you think about the results you've achieved so far? Are you shocked now we've just took all your measurements and weights again?
I admit I just had to get Nick to measure my waist 3 times because I said, you have got to be kidding. I am totally shocked. I wouldn't have thought that just in 7 weeks, by following those three simple steps, that I would have made so much progress, and it's given me a lot of confidence now to be upping the amount of exercise that I do outside of the gym. The gym is really important. There's a lot of core work goes on in here, there's a lot of strength and conditioning goes on in here, but I now have more confidence to be increasing the kind of thing that I can do outside of the gym as well, which I didn't have before. Great,
Ruth. And if you said to, or if somebody asked you what your reason would be to tell other people to sign up, what would it be?
What would it be? Just, it's, oh, you're going to have to edit this bit. God, just give me a second.
That's all right.
Because I do know, I just think, what might be the reason for people? So there's so many reasons. It's just the positive change in my life that this has given me. I feel so much better, I feel more awake, I feel happier. It's not just my physical sort of well-being that seems to have improved, it's my mental well-being as well, and I think that's really important to consider, is the way that feeling good about yourself can lift your whole mood, and this gives me the opportunity to feel good about myself.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Ruth.
Sorry, I knew that I had